exhaust is by Solo Performance. They're known for G8s in a lot of different applications because they have a no drone exhaust. You can see up here, that J pipe right there comes off of the pipe and actually cancels out. That J pipe comes off and cancels out the frequency that you hear inside the car, thus getting rid of all drone. So, great exhaust system, great company. Alright guys, this is the Solo Performance Mach Shorty unbalanced catback system. The previous video that you just looked at was the axleback system, and this is a comparison. Same location, same everything, so same device I'm recording on, so you shouldn't have any issues with that. I know the microphones make it pretty difficult to get an accurate understanding of what you're listening to, but I mean, it's a great system. Comparing to the axlebacks, I would say it's got a more wholesome sound. It's a little more raw than the axleback was, and I can say I've had it on the car now for about 600 miles, and I've gotten more compliments than I did with the axleback for 10,000 miles. So, and I haven't changed my driving habits, not that I know of. I mean, my gas mileage on the way home may have been a little less,